done, and now I'm gonna have some electrolytes just to make sure I'm getting enough. I mean, I'm gonna be salting my food quite a bit with real Himalayan sea salt, but you know, gotta up the ante a little bit. Can't be too certain and sure, right? So I'm gonna throw that down the hatch. Start preparing my lunch, and I am going to weigh out my turkey slices. So I got this really nice turkey from Aldi. It's more of thick slices. I need to figure out how to do the camera nicely here without... Hold on. Okay. So, Jack says hey. All right, so I'm going to go here. I'm gonna tear and then make sure that it's on ounces. Okay, so we got her on ounces, so I want at least like 4. So that's almost 1. Let me see here. Roll it up. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so that's pretty close. I'll add another piece on there. So there we go, there's my meat. All right, guys, so there's my lunch. I got my homemade pickles from my garden this summer. I did about a 1/8 cup of salted almonds, half an avocado with everything but the bagel seasoning on top, and the sliced turkey. And then I will make a chocolate protein lunch oh my gosh, I can't speak today. Chocolate protein shake after this. I have my almond milk, a little bit of ice, and I put my collagen in there. You can see like the yellowish look, and then I have the chocolate perfect keto whey protein shake mix in there. So I'm going to blend that up, and that'll be my lunch.